You know those sellers on Amazon who earn nearly $10,000 per month selling t-shirts? But here's the secret. None of them print anything themselves or take care of the packages, shipping, and delivery. But how? You might notice they all sell these products using a service called Amazon Merch on Demand. They just have to create the design and upload it with the product type and colors. This whole thing is called print on demand. Not only on Amazon, but you can also sell on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Printful. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to kickstart a small business from home without a ton of stress. Seriously, you know how hard it is to create products from scratch, trying to get the word out, dealing with customers, and then handling all that shipping. It's exhausting. You pour your heart into your designs, and then the logistics just drain you. So this is a good opportunity for you. But here's the deal. Most people who try to start a print-on-demand business fail, and after they upload their designs, they won't see any sales happen. This is because they haven't properly validated their design ideas or figured out which niches are actually profitable. The key thing to run a successful print-on-demand business is to do proper research about the market. That's how people earn more than $10,000 selling print-on-demand products. Luckily, today's video is all about Merch Informer, a keyword research tool that I use myself to find those hot niches and confirm my ideas. It means you can spend more time designing and less time worrying about whether your designs will sell or spending hours on manual research. It's a must-have, whether you're brand new or already selling. Let's jump right in and get started. Alright, let me introduce you to Merch Informer. This tool is fantastic for serious product research. We can use it for Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, and even our own Shopify stores to sell print-on-demand merch like t-shirts and so much more. Here, we can also dive deep into keyword research to find what people are actually searching for. Plus, they've got a built-in designer right here, and a feature for trademark protection, so we can ensure we're creating unique and safe designs. Let's talk pricing. Merch Informer offers two plans, Newbie and Professional. The Professional plan includes the Merch Graphics Vector Pack and access to the single upload interface, making your workflow even smoother. The yearly plan is definitely the way to go for a better deal, saving you some cash. But don't stress about the price just yet. You can explore all these amazing features with a 3-day free trial. And there's a special bonus. There's a 20% discount available for Cute Things channel viewers. Just check the coupon code in the description below, or you can see it on the screen right now. You can just enter Cute Things when you check out to apply for the discount. Now, let's log in and see what's inside. Upon logging in, you'll get a welcome pop-up. Feel free to explore it, or just close it for now. Here, you can see and learn about this tool and all the important features it has, such as product research, competition checker, keyword research, trademarks, and more. I'll just first go to the competition checker. So here, let's say you have an idea. You can validate that here. As an example, I love to read books, so I'll just type something like book lover and search. Here you can see the score is F. Obviously, there are a lot of book readers and they already have designs on them, so the competition is really high. You see 462 products already there. So this is not a good idea. Here you can see the related designs and other info. But don't worry, it's not a dead end. Instead of book lover, you can try different phrases, something like powered by books. And search. Here you can see the score is A. This is the same as in the school for the test results. If we get an A, that means a good mark. F means bad. As you can see, for this phrase, there are only 13 products online. That's a great opportunity. So, the competition checker helps us quickly validate our ideas. But for more in-depth details, we can go to product search. Okay, We'll try the same thing here. Book lover and hit search. Here you also get an F. I'll type powered by books and search. Here you can see the competition score is A. Here we can see the result data like keywords, total results, keywords in titles, average BSR, which means best-selling rate. You can also see it here. And lowest price, highest price, average price, category, and the marketplace. And here, under the related keywords, you can see keywords and the search volume. I'll quickly try another phrase. Just a girl who loves books. And click search. Okay, for this one you can see the competition score is B. But here's the thing, if we check the design here, and I'll just click and go to this one on Amazon. See? Again, this is an Amazon Merch on Demand product. But what I wanted to show you is that this seller combined the word books with dragons. We can also try to combine words like this. If we go back, remember we got a B. But instead of the phrase, just a girl who loves books, we can rephrase it to something like, just a girl who loves coffee, books. Here, now you can see, the competition score is A, and you can see some designs also here, like these. So, think something like that. The more niche down your phrase, the better. So so now, let's say you want to see more designs. I will just copy this phrase. You can search this on Etsy or Pinterest inside this tool also. So, I'll just paste the phrase here and select Etsy and click search. It will take about a few seconds. And here you can see designs. The price, views count. And more designs like here. Now, let's say you're completely stuck. You have no idea about where to start or what designs might work. But you want to know the current trends and niches. So those things you can find here. Click movers and shakers. So here in movers and shakers, you can filter the trends by type, category, and marketplace. I'm going to search by weekly, category as merch by Amazon shirts, and marketplace as US, and hit search. Here you can see this week's trending designs. I love this design, the orange one. So here in the green line you can see the price changes through time. The purple line, you can see the sales rank through time. As you can see, this seller priced up the product on May 18th. But the sales rank went lower, higher, and lower again. Here, the lower the rank, it's better. You might get confused here, but think it's like a competition. The first place is better than the third place. Same thing applies here. And you can also see this pattern in other designs here. Also, you can go to this tool called Keyword Cloud to find trends. Here you can also pick a date and hit search. There you can see the current trending keywords categorized in word, 2 words, and 3 words. Also, you can sort it out by countries such as United States, United Kingdom, or Germany like this. Let's go to the United Kingdom. It's here actually I picked the keyword, just a girl and girl who loves. You can add more keywords to this and create a unique phrase like I did earlier. You can also see phrases like Father's Day is trending now. Okay, so next I'm going to show you my favorite tool. It's under the tools called Merch Calendar. Here you can see all the holidays across the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and other unofficial holidays. You can see here that Father's Day is coming on June 15th. For future reference, I'm recording this video in the first week of June. Anyway, that's why we saw so many results earlier, targeting these days. You can pick a holiday and target your designs here. We can see July 4th, Independence Day in the US. So you can target that day or any other holidays you like. Okay, I can see the ice cream day, Space Exploration Day, and Lasagna Day, more fun days. So this is a good tool to get an idea for that. Okay, so I would like to show you another important tool, which is trademarks. You can go to trademark alerts here. So here you can see if the keywords you choose are safe to use or not. As you can see, Star Wars, Superman, Marvel, Harry Potter, Disney, those are not safe because they are already trademarked, but you can see the Paint Girl is safe. It's important to check this before you create any designs, because if you upload designs that are already trademarked, your account might get banned. That's a risk we cannot take. So, to avoid that, you can always check it here before using the phrase you want to create any design. You just have to type the phrase you want to check for trademarks in this box. I'll just paste the phrase we picked earlier here and hit save. Okay, so it's not checked yet. We just have to click the Check Trademarks button here. And that's it. You can see the green tick and it's safe to go. So this is a good tool to check out whether our designs are good to go. So, the last thing I wanted to show you guys is this Merch Informer graphics. Here we can see so many graphics available for us. And these are only available on Merch Informer, so we can use these graphics for our designs. And there are no problems with copyright of stuff with using these graphics. You can download it anytime. That's it for Merch Informer. Remember to use the coupon code below for the 20% discount. And if you want to know more about print-on-demand services, comment print-on-demand below. We'll publish a full guide on starting an online print-on-demand business soon. Keep winning!